Vasudev Kutumbakam is not just a word, or it's just not a combination of words, but it's a thought. And that thought is, no matter which part of the world we live in, we do impact each other, and we are globally part of one family. We also understand and we take deep cognizance of the fact that languages need to be conserved and preserved, because only if you preserve and conserve the language will you remember the history and will you remember the past. And that past will always have lessons for humanity, at times even from wrong aspects. I would say even with the wounds which one would have got during the historicity of particular events, there are lessons to be learned. And those lessons are always positive lessons.
During this festival, Goa will showcase and promote its unique tradition, art, culture, architect, history, archaeology, handicraft, cuisine, music, festival, tourism potential, etc., which depict the hormones behind of the Konkani European Far Eastern influences. The Luso connection at the proposed CPLP program with the involvement of the local stakeholders, which includes the people who love the Mando, Zagor, Natak and Theatra and the likes. The era of colonial rule in Goa had its dark phases, while the public amenities like Goa Medical College and Pharmacy College were being created, Goans continued their quest for liberation.